Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Sparkplug in Tennessee. Hey Sparkplug, we got you ready to go in this Galaxy DX44 HP. You better have had me fit it with these beautiful blue jewel knobs. It's a beautiful radio, and I sure hope you enjoy it. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Half a watt, roll it all the way up, 5 watts, as always. Go over here to 100 watt slug peak power. Hello, 1, 2, 3, hello, 44 peak watts. Alright Sparkplug, I hope you enjoy this very Merry Christmas present from your friend Truck up here in the Bluegrass. Truck CB Sales, I'm waving. Bump bump.